This is my introduction to Anthropology 242. Hi, my name is Amanda Gornick. I'm originally from Lexington, Kentucky. I just relocated from North Carolina to Alaska about 2 months ago on my husband's military orders. I am an educator and coach. I love pets. We have two dogs, a cat, and a bunny. I am an extremely positive person and I love to see the good in everyone. Family. I'm part of a family of four. I have been married to a military man for 14 years. He is wonderful. He is an active duty Coast Guardsman. My daughters are in seventh grade and fifth grade. We are from the South, so our Christian values are very important to us and play a major part in how we live our lives day to day. My education. I have a bachelor's degree in kinesiology with a minor in health from the University of Kentucky, and I have a master's in health education from American College of Education. I just accepted the executive director position at Gold Creek Child Development Center here in Juneau in the Federal Building, and I look forward to starting that position very soon. I enjoy coaching, crafting, reading, hiking, cooking and baking, and also playing sports, just being active. Two sites that I believe represent me. Facebook is a fantastic opportunity for me as a family member of a Coast Guardman to keep up with people that I have connected through online. And so LinkedIn also does the same thing, but from a business aspect. So these two represent me, and I stay connected with people that I have met along the way. Why am I taking this class? First, I'm an educator and I'm trying to transfer my North Carolina state certifications into Alaska. This will require me to take two multicultural classes in order to get the approved certification within Alaska. I am taking both of these classes at the same time this fall. Also, I look forward to learning all that I can about the Alaskans' culture and how I can better serve all of my students. I am also truly a student at heart. This is my 8th year of college and I love learning. The online format gives me flexibility from a full-time job and running a family, so this allows me to have that flexibility. Role of anthropology within Native cultures of Alaska. Anthropology plays an important role in any culture. It is the process to understand current ways of life and how it was developed into what it is today. It can also help us figure out methods of effectively helping those communities instead of hindering them. It helps the natives to understand their roots. It also helps the non-natives to develop a respect for the culture. We cannot change the past, but we can learn from it. The past will continue to impact the future of a culture and its populations, just as your childhood determines the adult you are today. Looking at several ways, the Clifford article, just like any field, we have the good and we have the bad. Some scientists have disrespected, stolen, disvalued, and shamed some of the cultures they have been researching. We also have other cultures come in and forcibly put their ways of life onto the native communities. Our ways are better or right, and your ways are wrong and bad, like the Russians in the 1800s, the United States in the 1867, and then are the high military presence after during World War II. These negative situations have hindered and caused hesitation when it comes to letting people in. The community feels they need to protect their culture and the people within them. Moving forward, the past needs to be a lesson that we learn from. Moving forward, not repeating the same mistakes we have already done. Not forcing other cultures' way of life on the native people. Getting permission before entering the communities and exhuming bodies. The bridge between scientists and natives needs to be rebuilt and will continue to be hard work. It will not be easy, and setbacks will occur. We need to eliminate judgment during research. There needs to also be a respect between the two to allow for effective collaboration in politics, in education, and program development, just to name a few. It was great to do this introduction. I look forward to some great conversations in anthropology. I don't know a lot about anthropology, but I do expect to learn a lot, and I hope that this class helps me to be a better teacher in the future. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.